Hi, this is the iPhone 15 and I'll show you how to add or remove home screen widgets on this device. So to add the widget to your home screen, you should first hold the home screen with your finger for a while and you'll see here on the left upper corner the plus icon. Just tap on it and you'll see here the search widgets. You could search them by this way, or also you could just find one from the available applications. Here, for example, let's use the calendar, and here you could see 6 different types of the widgets of the calendar application. Now let's select, for example, the calendar list and just tap Add Widget to the home screen. After that, just tap to Done. As you can see, that's so simple. You could edit the widget just by hold it for a while, just tap to this section, and you could also mirror the calendar up and to hide all of the calendar days. Also, if you want, you could just move widget here on the screen, between the screens. Just hold it and drag it by this way. Also, you could create the new screens for the widgets. And if you wanna just for example, they edit the home screen, you could just hold it, also the widget, tap to edit home screen, and just to remove it, you should just hold it for a while and tap to remove widget, or just hold for a while, for example, your home screen, and tap here to this minus icon and click to remove. Then just tap to Done to save the changes. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.